Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use your Here air conditioner remote, and I'm also going to explain each and every buttons that are available on top of it. So as you can see, I have this Here remote available. So this is the power button, and as the name suggests, this particular button is used in order to turn on and off your air conditioner. Now you will notice that this remote has a dedicated mode buttons available. So the cool mode is basically used in order to start cooling immediately. Heat button is used to switch to the heating mode on the heat pump models. Then we have the dry button that is going to remove the excess humidity without heavy cooling. And it should also have the auto button, which it has over here. So it is going to let the AC automatically choose the best operating mode. So it has all the modes available. Afterwards, we have the temperature plus and the minus buttons. So these are going to basically use to adjust the desired room temperature. Then we have the swing button, which is going to basically help move the air lowers automatically, and when you press it again, it is going to basically stop. Then we have the fan modes available, so it is in the middle. So the fan is going to basically help cycle through the available fan speed. We also have this quiet mode available, which is going to help reduce the indoor fan noise for the quieter operation, especially at night or while working. Then we have the timer buttons. So you can press the timer button, then you can use these plus and the minus buttons in order to choose the desired on and off timing. Then we have the confirmation and the cancel button that basically going to save or cancel the timer settings. We also have the self clean button available, which is going to help you start the automatic indoor coil cleaning cycle. The AC will then clean and dry the evaporator to help reduce the moisture, the dust and the odors inside the unit. We also have the extra function available, which is going to help you access the additional features available on your model, such as health airflow, eco sensors, turbo or Wi-Fi. So you can use these plus and the minus buttons in order to select your desirable function, and then you can just simply press the confirm and the cancel button in order to activate it. Now in the bottom you are going to see some of the other buttons available. So the lock button is going to basically use to lock and unlock the remote buttons. Then we have the light button, which is going to use to turn the indoor unit light display light on and off. Then with the reset button you can just simply reset your remote and your indoor unit. So these are all the buttons that you can basically use in order to operate your AC, and that's how you can basically use it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.